Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad HELMI. My student ID is 2021823386. So this is our presentation on our industrial visit for subject MEC640, and these are the list of our group members. Now we will proceed to the name of the company that we have visited. So the name of the company is Meranti Furniture Sendirian Berhad. So basically this company manufactured the facilities around our nation, which is Malaysia. So now we will proceed to the next slide. So these are the pictures of us in front of the company with the person in charge for our site visit. So we will move to the first part, which is the introduction. Now we will proceed to the background of the company. So basically, Meranti Marshall Sendirian Berhad was founded in 1989, and it is a re-owned furniture producer and interior design firm. And they have a dedicated team of 180 employees and have successfully completed a project worth over 120 million ringgit. And the client of the companies include various government departments and local universities such as UMK, UKM, and also including our UITM. And they have made significant contributions to projects like Selayang Hospital, KLIA, and also Putrajaya. And their ambition is to evolve into a globally recognized furniture production company that caters to diverse customer requirements. And they also committed to delivering innovative products and services that not only meet customer expectations but are also eco-friendly. So now what are the vision and vision of this company? So the vision of this company is to become a world-class furniture manufacturer that can provide solutions to meet various customer needs and aspirations. And the mission of this company is to provide innovative products and services that meet customer satisfaction, and at the same time instilling environmental friendly atmosphere for the staff and also the client. So these are the overview of the company. So basically the headquarters of this company is in Bandar Baru Bangi, and the manufacturing facilities is at Olat Lempit Furniture Complex in Banting. So this manufacturing facilities is where we went to do our industrial visit, and it is a highly automated manufacturing process that being attached to this company. And the facilities include there was CNC metal and woodworking machineries, sheet and metal sheet fabrication, electrostatic powder coating line, and also the assembly process. So all of the product will be made there. So these are the product lines that will be manufactured by them. Include household furniture, office furniture, educational furniture, laboratory furniture, and also storage equipment. So basically they produce this kind of product and distribute it all along Malaysia, including Sabah and Sarawak. So that's all for the introduction part.
Assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad IRSHAD as presenter 2 for manufacturing process and technology applied. First of all, design and planning. We are using conceptualization of furniture designs for every product we will make. And also, we also use computer-aided design (CAD) software for precise planning so that our product meets customer expectation. For material selection, for the best product result, we choose suitable materials based on design and functionality. The common materials that we use for our product include MDF, SDM, meramine board, solid board, and metal. Next, this is an example of material selection that we have. For cutting and shaping, for more precision cutting of raw materials than using a saw, we use CNC, which is computer numerical control rotors or laser cutting machines that operate on an AutoCAD basis. Then we shape our components through milling and puncture machine. This is an example of a laser cutting machine.
Ada pun nak buang satu. material.
For edge finishing refers to the process of enhancing and refining the edges of a material or product to achieve a polished, aesthetically pleasing appearance. Usually, the edge of the cut product is already on a straight surface, so we just cover the end of the edge with the plastic as finishing. Next, this is a plastic surface finisher machine. The joinery and assembly. First, joining components using traditional methods like mortise and tenon, or modern techniques such as adhesive and fasteners. Assembly of different parts to create the final product. For finishing, before going out to the customers, every excessive parts needs to be sanded and smoothed to ensure a polished appearance. For certain products, metal products especially, the application of finishes like paint is needed to make sure it stands against corrosion and rust. Next, stains, vanishes or laminates are used for protection and aesthetics. For upholstery, we add fabric or leather covers to certain furniture items like sofas and chairs. Next, we staple, sewing and stretching materials over frames. For quality control, before handing out our products to the customer, we inspect each piece for defects or imperfections. If there are defects to products, the products undergo the restore stages if it is fixable. If not, we just create a new one. Final inspection to ensure dimensions, finish, overall quality meet the specified standards and customer requirements. Next, the packaging. Proper packaging to protect the furniture during transportation. We label and provide assembly instruction if require manual installation. But most of the time, we go to the customer place and install the furniture by ourselves.
So my name is ALIMIE. So for this slide, I'm going to present about defect or quality issues occur from the process. So number one is warpage caused by uneven moisture content or improper drying of woods. So for the effect, twisting or bending of the furniture, affecting its stability. For number two, joint failures caused by insufficient fluid, proper joinery, or use of low fastener. For the effect, weak connection leading to instability or breakage. For number three, crack and slip caused by rapid wood drying, poor joinery, or internal stresses. If for the effect, visible crack or split from compromising structural integrity. For number four is surface imperfection caused by inadequate sanding, subpar finishing, or application of finishes in unfavorable condition. For the effect, rough surface, uneven finishes, or imperfection or inappearance. For number five, the assembly issues caused by incorrect assembly, missing components, or poor element during assembly. For the effect, unstable furniture, assembly difficulties, or misaligned parts. For number six, inconsistent dimension caused by poor cutting or shaping process. For the effect, furniture piece with with uneven dimensions leading to fitting issues. For number seven, weak structural design caused by inadequate support of or weak of material in critical areas. For the effect, structure failure, collapse, or instability. For number 8, finish addition problems caused by poor additions between finish or furniture surface. For the effect, peeling, cracking, or flaking of the finish. So for number 8, color variation caused by inconsistent staining or finishing processes. For the effect, mismatched color on different parts of the furniture. For the last, poor upholstery work caused by inadequate stitching, improper stretching, or the low or the use of low quality upholstery materials. For the effect, weakness, loose fabric, or discomfort in upholstered furniture. So that's all for this slide.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Akmal and now I will explain the element of IR 4.0 that adopt in this company. So, before we start, I will explain a little bit about what is IR 4.0. IR 4.0 is stand for the Fourth Industrial Revolution. IR 4.0 represents the continuous evolution of traditional industrial and production process through the integration of digital technologies. The goal of IR 4.0 is to develop data-driven, connected smart factories and industrial processes that are sufficiently advanced to make decision on their own. So they have many example of IR 4.0. So the first, for example, IoT, which is Internet of Things, big data analytics, cloud computing, automation, sensor, and more. So in this company, they have an element of IR 4.0 that adopt. So the first one is IoT or called Internet of Things. So in this company, they use integration of sensors and smart device in furniture for real-time monitoring. So the second one is big data analytics. They use data-driven decision making for optimizing production efficiency and improving their product quality. The third one is AI or artificial intelligence. So they in this company they use AI driven design assistant for creating innovative and optimize their furniture design. So the next one is automation. When we see the machine, they have many advanced technology to perform tasks with minimal human intervention. The next is cloud computing. We also can see in at the machine they have first facility of collaboration, scalability, and remote monitoring of manufacturing operation. So next is blockchain technology. This company is ensure their alternatives of material and products. We know that they use they have a material selection for their product, so they adopt this element blockchain technology to ensure authenticity of material and products, so they can reducing the risk of counterfeiting. So the last one is predictive maintenance. We can see on their machine they use of sensor and data analytics to predict and prevent equipment failures. So now I will show the example machine uh, that adopt the element of IR 4.0. So the first one is CNC point to point. Um, it's implementing sensor and monitoring system on CNC point to point machine to enable real-time quality control. Data on cut accuracy, tool wear, and other performance indicator can be gathered and analyzed to ensure product quality and identify problem early on. So in this CNC point-to-point machine, they can be monitored and controlled from a single location, providing greater flexibility in production, scheduling, and management. So the second machine is laser cutting machine. So we know that laser cutting machine help to develop this machine. CNC laser cutting machine help develop smart manufacturing environment, which is improving their productivity, flexibility, and responsiveness to the market demands. So in this machine, laser cutting machine, they have a CAD or CAM software is used to generate digital models and simulation tools that can be used to visualize and evaluate the cutting process before production. So this software helps to reduce errors and improve their production process. This machine also implementing automated system to enable quick task change, reduce downtime, and improve overall production efficiency. So the last one example machine is CNC punching. So this machine connecting to Internet of Things, which is IoT, to allows for real-time monitoring and data exchange. So IoT sensors on the machine can collect data on performance, toolware, and other aspects. So in this machine, they have applying predictive maintenance too. This machine applying predictive maintenance to identify the potential maintenance needs, hence minimizing downtime and increasing machine lifespan.
For the next part is sustainability manufacturing implemented in this factory. The first one is material selection. It use of sustainable material like choosing a renewable resources like certified wood from FSC, Forest Stewardship Council, such as MDF, melamine board to minimize environmental impact. Melamine board is known for its easy maintenance and resistant to heat, moisture, and stains. And on the other hand, MDF is dense, flat, and has no grain, which make it ideal for application where a smooth surface is desired. MDF is a green product because it is created out of wood fiber and has no carbon footprint. The second one is energy efficiency. Energy efficient process, implementing energy efficient machinery and technologies to minimize energy consumption during manufacturing. So this is the example of MDF board and melamine board used in this factory. The third one is waste reduction and recycling. Implement efficient resources use, implementing lean manufacturing principle to minimize waste in the production process. The fourth one is circular economy practice, product life cycle consideration. Designing furniture with the assembly and recyclability in mind to facilitate easier recycling or repurposing at the end of its life of the product. So this is modern machine to reduce the waste reduction. So when we use this type of machine, we can reduce the material we use for making a product. It also can cut the cost to make this product because we this machine make based on our design and we don't need to make a finishing product, so it can reduce and save our time also. So next, for number 5 is reduce emission, efficient resource uses, transportation emission, optimizing transportation logistics to reduce greenhouse gas emission in the supply chain. Pada number 6 is water conservation, water recycling, incorporating water recycling system to reuse water in the certain manufacturing stage. So for the number 7, certification and standard, sustainability certification, seeking and obtaining certification such as FSC, Cradle to Cradle or Green Guard to demonstrate adherence to sustainability standard. The last one is employee engagement. This factory also give a training program providing training for employees on sustainability practice and encouraging them to involve in this sustainability manufacturing. So this is some of the certificate and standard that this factory have.
Okay, now we will move to the last part and also the end part of our presentation on the site visit. So these are the picture of the conversation that we have made. So the first picture is on 9 January 2024, which are right after our site visit. And the second one is on 12 January 2024. So some of us live far from each other, so we decided to do it online. So this picture was taken on 12 January 2024, and the last picture is on 19 January 2024, where we make a final discussion to finalize the topic and also the slide that we created for our presentation. So the conclusion from this presentation is that we have covered various aspects related to the furniture industry, including the manufacturing process, quality issues, sustainability practice, and also the adoption of Industry 4.0 technologies. And lastly, I would like to thank Meranti Furniture Sdn Bhd for allowing us to visit them and giving us an opportunity to grow our view about the manufacturing industries. And lastly, help us to complete our subject requirement to conduct industrial visit. So that's all from us. Thank you.